What if your motorcycle gear could think faster than you? From helmets that call your loved ones after a crash, to grips that keep you warm when winter bites, 2025 isn't just about riding, it's about riding smarter. Here are the top 15 motorcycle gadgets of 2025. Number 15. ROCKBROS Polarized Sunglasses. Bright glare off asphalt isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. That's where the ROCKBROS Polarized sunglasses step in. Their UV 400 lenses block harmful rays, reduce glare, and sharpen contrast, giving you a clearer view of the road ahead. Perfect for spotting potholes, gravel, or that car edging into your lane. At only 25 grams, they're feather light and stay comfortable for hours, while anti-slip pads on the nose and temples keep them in place even when you're sweaty. Built with tough PC memory frames, they can take a hit or survive being dropped without cracking. And here's the kicker. They're not $200 like some big brand cycling shades. These start around $28, making them one of the best budget-friendly upgrades you can buy. Stylish, protective, and road-tested, they're proof that safety doesn't have to break the bank. Number 14. EarPeace Moto Hi-Fi Earplugs. Wind roar and engine buzz might sound cool at first, but after hours in the saddle, they can drain your focus and even cause hearing damage. EarPeace Moto Hi-Fi earplugs solve that without muting the ride. Unlike cheap foam plugs, these use precision acoustic filters that lower harmful noise while letting you hear sirens and traffic. You stay alert, but your ears get a break. Each set comes with 3 different filters, rated at SNR, 17, 20, and 26, so you can dial in how much sound reduction you want. They're made from soft, hypoallergenic silicone that sits comfortably under a helmet without irritation, and they come in a premium aluminum case with a spare plug. At about $20, they're one of those small investments that pay off every single mile you ride. Number 13. Oxford HotGrips Pro. Cold hands don't just hurt, they make riding dangerous by slowing your reaction time and grip strength. Oxford HotGrips Pro fixes that with advanced heating elements that spread warmth evenly across the entire grip. 5 adjustable heat settings let you choose anything from a mild boost on cool mornings to full-on warmth in freezing weather. A smart controller automatically regulates the temperature, so you don't overheat or drain your battery unnecessarily. The grips themselves are tacky enough to feel secure even when wet, and once installed, they're a permanent upgrade to your bike. Installation can look intimidating, but the kit comes with clear instructions and is pretty straightforward if you're handy with tools. At around $150, these grips extend your riding season by months and make cold weather commuting far more enjoyable. Number 12. Kryptonite New York Diamond U-Lock. Few things crush a rider's heart like walking back to find their bike gone. The Kryptonite New York Diamond U-Lock is built to stop that nightmare. With a 16mm hardened steel shackle and a double deadbolt anti-rotation design, it's one of the toughest locks on the market. Thieves with bolt cutters or leverage bars won't get far, and even angle grinders struggle against it. The cylinder resists picking and drilling, while a dust cover protects it from grit and grime. You get 3 keys, one with a built-in LED so you're not fumbling in the dark. Sure, at 4.5 pounds it's hefty, but that weight equals security. Priced around $160, it's not cheap, but compared to the cost of losing your ride, it feels like money well spent. Number 11. Quad Lock Vibration Dampener. Your phone's camera is one of the most fragile parts of your gear, and believe it or not, motorcycle vibrations can destroy it over time. The Quad Lock Vibration Dampener was designed to stop that exact problem. Using 3 silicone grommets, it cuts out more than 90% of the high-frequency vibrations that damage image stabilization hardware in modern smartphones. Installation is simple. Just slot it between your quad lock mount and your phone case, and you're protected. The best part? It doesn't interfere with the secure click quad lock is famous for, so your phone still locks in tight. At about $25, it's a small add-on that can save you from a very expensive repair bill. If you ride with your phone mounted, this little piece of kit is non-negotiable. Number 10. Garmin Zumo X-T2 GPS Navigator. Phone maps are fine, but when you're deep in the mountains or somewhere remote, they can let you down. That's where the Garmin Zumo X-T2 shines. Built specifically for motorcycles, it packs a bright 6-inch sunlight-readable display that stays clear even on the sunniest days. It's rugged, waterproof, and glove-friendly, designed to take the punishment of real-world riding. Preloaded maps cover on-road and off-road routes, and with Garmin's database, you can discover scenic backroads or adventure trails you'd never find otherwise. The interface is intuitive, and pairing with your phone gives you live traffic updates and weather alerts. It even tracks your ride stats for bragging rights later. At around $600, it's an investment. But if you live for road trips and exploration, this Navigator is worth every cent. Number 9. Brake-free LED helmet brake light. Most taillights sit low, right where cars often overlook them. The brake-free LED light flips the script by mounting directly to your helmet, putting visibility at the highest point on your body. Its ultra-bright LEDs shine in a 360-degree pattern. And here's the kicker. It doesn't just light up when you squeeze the brakes. The smart sensors detect engine braking, downshifts, and deceleration too, so drivers know you're slowing even if your brake lever stays untouched. Lightweight and aerodynamic at just 7 ounces, it remains secure without messing with your helmet's balance. Installation? Tool-free. You snap it on and ride. At around $169, it's not a budget toy, but think of it as an extra brake light that moves with your head. More visibility equals more chances of being seen, and that's priceless. Number 8. Cardo Spirit HD Bluetooth Intercom. Shouting over the wind to your buddy in the next lane? Yeah, that gets old fast. The Cardo Spirit HD fixes it with crystal clear Bluetooth communication. Offering up to a 600-meter range, it keeps you connected rider to rider without relying on cell service. The 40mm HD speakers deliver solid sound for calls, music, or GPS directions, and the built-in FM radio is a nice bonus. With Bluetooth 5.2, you get fast, stable pairing, and the unit is fully waterproof because rain happens. Battery life clocks in at up to 13 hours of talk time, and when it's dead, a quick USB-C charge gets you back on the road fast. Priced at around $170, it's one of the most affordable and reliable communication systems out there. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. Number 7. Moto 10 Spherical Helmet Axell Hodges Edition. Some helmets are just gear, while others become a statement. The Moto 10 Spherical Axell Hodges Edition is exactly that, a bold mix of protection and personality. Packed with MIPS spherical technology, it reduces rotational forces in a crash, giving your brain a fighting chance when things go wrong. The airflow system is engineered for aggressive riding, keeping you cool even when pushing hard. And of course, it rocks Axell Hodges' Slayco-inspired graphics, so it stands out in any lineup. Lightweight, aerodynamic, and designed for riders who like to send it big, this helmet blends style and safety flawlessly. At about $650, it's premium, but helmets aren't where you cut corners. If you want pro-level protection with a side of attitude, this lid delivers both in spades. Number 6. KLIM i1 Airbag Vest. Imagine riding with protection that reacts faster than you do. The KLIM i1 Airbag Vest uses built-in sensors to detect a crash and inflate in milliseconds, shielding your chest, back, ribs, and vital organs before you even hit the ground. The best part? It slips under almost any jacket, so you don't have to sacrifice comfort or style for safety. Powered by InMotion's smart algorithm, it's constantly updated from millions of miles of real-world ride data, making it smarter the more people use it. No messy cords or tethers, it's fully wireless and reusable. Just replace the cartridge after deployment, and you're ready to go. At around $400 plus a subscription fee, it's not the cheapest piece of gear, but considering it could save your life, it's hard to put a price on that. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. What's the point of an epic ride if you can't relive it later? The GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is built for riders who want pro-level footage without the bulk. Despite its smaller size, it shoots the same jaw-dropping 5.3K video as its bigger sibling, with hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization, keeping the footage steady even on bumpy trails. Mount it on your helmet, bars, or chest rig, and you'll capture every lean, jump, and twist of the throttle. It's waterproof, tough as nails, and designed to take the punishment of real riding. With dual mounting fingers, setup is flexible, and it's compact enough to forget it's even there. At about $300 to $350, it's not pocket change, but for riders who love sharing adventures or just keeping memories, this camera is worth every dime. Number 4. Aura by Unit 1 Smart Cycling System. Helmets used to just sit on your head. Now they can actively save your life. The Aura Smart Helmet by Unit 1 is packed with futuristic features designed for visibility and safety. With 500 lumen LEDs mounted high, you're visible from every angle, day or night. It's MIPS, equipped for advanced impact protection and even e-bike certified for higher speeds. But here's the real game changer: built-in crash detection. If you go down and don't respond, the helmet automatically sends your GPS location to your emergency contact. Pair it with the Unit 1 remote, and your helmet becomes a signaling system, complete with turn indicators and synced brake lights, all controlled from your bars. Lightweight, award-winning, and sleek, it's as stylish as it is smart. At around $249, it's not just gear, it's peace of mind on every ride. Number 3. Xiaomi Tire Inflator. Imagine you're halfway through a ride, miles from the nearest gas station, and your tire pressure drops. Normally, that's a nightmare. But with the Xiaomi portable electric air compressor, it's just another pit stop. This compact inflator fits in your saddlebag and pumps up to 150 psi, handling motorcycle tires, car tires, and even sports gear with ease. The digital display shows exact pressure, and you can preset your desired PSI. The device shuts off automatically once it's reached. No guesswork, no overinflating. It runs on a rechargeable lithium battery with enough juice for multiple fills and charges conveniently via USB-C. At around $50, it's affordable insurance against being stranded. Small, smart, and dead simple to use, this gadget gives riders peace of mind on every trip. Number 2. SomeWear Global Hotspot. Riding off-grid is freeing until you hit that dreaded no-service zone. The SomeWear Global Hotspot makes sure you're never completely cut off. At just 4 inches long and weighing only 4 ounces, it pairs with your smartphone to provide satellite connectivity almost anywhere on Earth. Through the app, you can send messages, share live GPS coordinates, pull weather updates, and even send SOS alerts to emergency responders, all without cell service. It's waterproof, dustproof, and rugged enough to survive serious touring or dirt bike trips. Battery life stretches up to 10 days on standby, so it won't die halfway through an adventure. At about $280 plus subscription, it's not a casual buy, but for riders who live for remote roads and wild trails, it's a lifeline worth having. Number 1. Sena Spider RT1. What's better than the open road? Sharing it with friends without shouting over the wind. The Sena Spider RT1 turns your helmet into a command center. With mesh intercom technology, you can chat with up to 24 riders in group mesh mode, or open the channel to countless riders in multi-channel mesh, both with a range of up to 5 miles. Audio multitasking lets you stream music, take calls, and hear GPS directions seamlessly. The HD speakers pump out surprisingly rich sound, while the noise control tech filters out engine and wind roar. Built for simplicity, it's glove-friendly and fully waterproof. Battery life gives you around 12 hours of talk time, and USB-C fast charging gets you back quickly. At $239, it's not just a headset, it's a connection to your crew, your music, and your ride. And that's a wrap. 15 gadgets making 2025 the year motorcycles got smarter, safer, and way more fun. From life-saving vests to smart helmets and high-tech intercoms, there's something here for every rider. Which one's going on your bike first?